In this question, mention let the set of FDs F Q determine S, QR determine S, R determine P, and S determine Q hold on a relational schema X PQRS. X is not in BCNF. Suppose X is decomposed into two schema Y and Z, where Y equal to PR and Z equal to QRS, my dear. Then consider the two statement. Statement number one is both Y and Z are in BCNF. Statement number second is decomposition of X into Y and Z is dependency preserving and lossless. Which of the above statement is or are correct? Option A both first and second, B first only, C second only, and D neither first nor second. Okay, so first of all we will write the data. X is what? PQRS. PQRS and FD set are given. QR determine S, R determine P, and S determine Q, my dear. S determine Q. And what is given? Sub relation YPR. YPR is mentioned and Z is QRS. Z is QRS, my dear. Z is QRS. Okay, so it is mentioned directly X is not in BCNF. So first of all we will check X is in BCNF or not. But here no need to check, it is mentioned directly. But we can calculate the candidate key here. What are the candidate key, my dear student? First of all, when you take the closure of QR, what we are getting? QRS, S determine Q, and R determine P. Either from Q or from R you are getting all? No, because or only from R you are getting RP, not all attribute. सारे attribute नहीं मिलेंगे my dear अपन को. तो QR is one of the candidate key. First candidate key is what? QR. Now you can see S determine Q. S determine Q, my dear student. So what we can say, next one is SR. When you try to take the closure of SR, what we are getting? SRQ. QR determine S and R determine P. So next candidate key is what? SR is candidate key. SR is candidate key, my dear. So what we can say, my dear, what are the candidate keys here? Candidate keys is QR and SR. There are two candidate key. Any other? No. There are two candidate keys in this relational schema. Now you can see it is not in BCNF. Why not in BCNF? Because S determine Q. S determine Q in FD. S determine Q and R determine P. R determine P, my dear. R determine P. What happened? X is not super key. X is not super key, my dear. So relation X. So relation, what is the X here? Relation is my dear not in BCNF. Relation is not in BCNF. सर हियर व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ एक्स? इधर आप एक्स किसको कह रहे हैं? एवरी एफ डी एक्स टेंस टू वाई, नॉट अबाउट द रिलेशन. एवरी एफ डी एक्स टेंस टू वाई. सो इट इज नॉट इन BCNF. Directly you can say, but it is mentioned also X is not in BCNF. Okay, but we check also because we require the candidate keys for solving the next data. Now statement number one is both Y and Z are in BCNF. Now it is decompose Y and Z. So my dear student, first of all we are checking, we are writing Y. Y is what? PR. Y is what? PR. You can see Y is mentioned PR only. Attribute PR. y is attribute PR, my dear. Y is attribute PR, and Z is what? QRS. Z is what, my dear? QRS, my dear. Z is QRS. This is Z. Okay. Now here, what is asking? Option statement number 1, both Y and Z are in BCNF. So here you can see we are getting only one FD, that is R determine P, my dear. R determine P. So here candidate key will be R, my dear. Here candidate key will be R, my dear. Here candidate key will be R. Clear? But here you can see what is the candidate key here. First one is same here, QR, and next one is SR. QR and SR, and whatever FD is here, QR determine S first, QR determine S, and next is S determine Q. S determine Q, my dear. S determine Q. I am using different color. S determine Q. Okay. So you can see here R is the candidate key. So relation Y is in BCNF because here X is a super key. Every non-trivial FD X tends to Y, X is a super key. But here you can see, my dear student, you can see S tends to Q. QR determine S is okay, but S tends to Q, my dear. S tends to Q. Here S is not super key. S is not super key. It's a subset of candidate key. You can see SR is the key, na? So S is not super key. So what we can say? Z is not in BCNF. Z is not in BCNF. So you can say both Y and Z are in BCNF. What we can conclude here? We can conclude first is false. First is false. Now check for second, my dear. Now check for second. Second is saying decomposition of X and Y. X into Y and Z is dependency preserving and lossless. Okay. So here you can see, my dear student, we have a Y, PR, and Z, QRS. When you take a union, you are getting PQRS. What is the common attribute? Common attribute is R, my dear. Common attribute is R. When you take the closure of R, what you are getting? What you are getting? R, P, you are getting super key of Y. Super key of relation Y. So what we can say, my dear? We can say it is lossless. First of all, lossless. And here you can see, my dear, PR. What is happening? R determine P, dependency preserving, and the next one is what? QRS. In QRS, what is going on, my dear? QR determine S and S determine Q. Yes, my dear. So dependency also preserve. Dependency preserve, my dear. Dependency preserve. Dependency preserving is there. So what we can say? Decomposition of X into Y and Z, dependency preserving and lossless. So yes, we can conclude second is true. Yeah, you can say correct. And first is false. Yeah, you can say incorrect, my dear. Incorrect. Okay. So it is asking which of the statement is or are correct. So what we are getting? Only second is correct, my dear. Only second is correct. So C is the right answer. Only second is correct. Hope so you get it, everyone.